Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out the Kiwi Design K4 Flex head strap for your MetaQuest 3 and 3S headsets. In this we're going to unbox it, assemble it, I'll show you how to use it, and I'll give you my review. Let's jump into it. Okay, so here we have it, the K4 Flex head strap. A very simple design, but obviously a little bit more intense than just the regular stock strap that we have on our Quest 3. This will work for the 3S as well. Let's get into actually assembling this, but to do that you're going to need to remove the stock head strap that you have, and it also recommends in the user manual to take off the facial interface. So to do that, you're going to want to pinch on the top and the bottom towards one of the sides here and just wiggle it back. Once that's off, then it's going to be easier for you to get this top strap undone there. You can pull that through, and then when you're taking the arms off, you're going to want to make sure that you have pressure on the sides here behind, right there. And then there's the little extra bit of plastic there. It just snaps right off. And again here, snaps right up. But make sure you have that pressure on the back of the arm because you don't want to snap the arm off by accident. Now to actually install this K4 Flex, you can take your top strap here, which is kind of folded into itself there actually. You're going to want to get it out of underneath of there, and you want to feed this through. Oh, that's a snug fit. There we go. Pull that through. I'm just going to take it to there for now. We can always adjust that later as we see fit. Now on the sides here, we have a bit of a strap there as well that's going to be able to be adjusted, but all you need to do to install this is just line up the backs here, put some pressure towards the front, and you'll hear it click in, and then do the same with this side. Line up the backs there, move the pressure towards the front, and you could hear it click in. So there's our main installation. That's looking a little bit small for my head, but they have these side straps here that you can undo, and then this will pull through a bit, and then you can retighten that, and you can do the same on this side as well. And these straps are a bit elasticy, as you can see there, so really what you need to do is put it on to be able to adjust it. So let's switch to that so I can show you that, and then I'll be able to give it some testing and give you my review. Okay, so I have had a chance to try it out a little bit. I want to give you a try on, and I also want to show you how to adjust it like I said I would, and then we'll talk about the specs and my review. So putting it on is pretty easy because it is a little bit flexible there, so you can just put that down to where you need to go. First, what I did was adjusted the sides, so you can just pull both of these out, and you can either pull them tighter if they need to be tighter or push them in if they need to be looser, and then you just simply put them back onto the Velcro there and they will tighten. And now these straps feel nice. They're nice and tight, but they're nice and thick. They're not cheap material at all. And then there are these elastic hoops here that if there is a lot of extra, if you have a smaller head and there's a lot of extra strap, you can put this over top of it and it'll keep those straps in place, which is nice because you don't want anything flapping around. Then you can also do the top strap here. You can just pull that loose and then pull it through more, or push it the other way if you need to loosen it until you find where it's comfortable, and then you can put that on and you are good to go. So there you can see it on my head. I actually found it to be pretty comfortable. It obviously is going to leave a lot of the weight on the front of your face just with the overall design. There's not as much counterbalance on the back with this padding. This padding has a bit of weight to it, more than the stock strap has, so it does balance it a bit more. And the big padding on the back does disperse that weight a little bit, but you're going to need a good facial interface for sure if you're using one like this. But the major point of this whole head strap here is if you're wanting to lay down or recline and just watch a show, watch a movie, watch a sports game. And I tried this out on my couch with a pillow on my bed in my office chair here, and it was great. I found that this, formed perfectly to whatever padding was below it. There wasn't that big battery bulge. I find it funny when any of the battery head straps say that you can lay down with it, because every single one that I've tried, and I've tried most of them, none of them are very comfortable. But this one was comfortable, and that's what it's designed for. So if you are looking for something like that, already I can tell you that I would recommend it. Now, I did use this playing some more active games, and it was completely fine as well. Obviously, super long sessions, yeah, you might feel more of that weight on the front of your face, but I was playing games like Beat Saber, and it was completely fine. It was comfortable. It didn't feel uncomfortable at all. Being this elite style strap as well, it does hold the headset tight to your face, so there's not a lot of movement, so it is fine for those types of games as well. Price point, we are looking at $35 on the website, but it is 20% off on the website right now as well. It is $30 on Amazon and 10% off there, so that's less than $30 for this head strap. And I'm going to be 100% honest with you here. A lot of times at the very beginning, Kiwi Design seems to have their prices quite high for their head straps, but this is the first time when I saw the price, I was like, oh, okay, that actually makes sense for that product. So I'm happy with the price point that they are starting with, because I've reviewed other head straps similar-ish to this design, where they are made for laying down, made for watching shows and reclining and that kind of stuff, and they're around that same price point as well. But in my opinion, those ones aren't as high of quality as the K4 Flex is here. Now, here's the other thing. If you are looking to have a battery option with this, Kiwi Design does have their P5000 battery attachment that you can put onto any head strap, really. It comes with 2 little power banks, and it comes with this little dock here, you could say, and this just attaches here. Once you have that attached, you can simply put on your power bank there and plug it in, and it comes with this where you could wrap that around the side there. I'm not going to do that right here for you, but then now I have battery head strap. Battery's up on top, but now it's out of the way for if I want to lay down as well. You could put that battery mounting dock on any part of the head strap, really. I just put it on top because that's where maybe I want the weight to be more central. They're under 100 grams each, so they're not very much weight. So that is an option if you are looking to have a battery with it as well. But in my opinion, if you're going to be watching movies or shows or any of that stuff and you're laying down, you can just plug your headset in or have the battery or the power bank beside you anyways. You don't necessarily need to have it on your head. So, do I recommend it? Yes, I actually do. I'm impressed with this one, especially for the price point. If you are someone who watches shows, sports, movies, or anything, and you like reclining and relaxing with it, but you want a head strap that's more comfortable than the stock head strap, this is definitely one to check out. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Watch my other ones. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.